Welcome everybody. It is Friday, it is the end of the trading week, and we just completed our first week of trading inside the free Forex Education platform, and it's been a tough week, but nevertheless we have finished in profit for the week. We have finished positive 112 pips for the week. Just to run through some of the figures here. Red means loser, green means winner, break even trade there, which is grey, and then a no entry cancelled, which is the white one. But 20 trades taken, 112 pips profit, 7 winners, 11 losses, 1 break even, only a win rate of 35%, so down quite significantly on what the normal, when I say normal, I mean average win rate is. And I just want to really then we finished positive, but that came through just one day where we had 3 big trades that actually hit. And well, let's just talk through these trades first of all. So we opened the week with a euro dollar cipher at loss for 23 pips. The pound dollar bat pattern loser for 52 pips. Patterns this week have done particularly poor and actually have hit the P&L quite significantly. We had a Euro Aussie 2618 trade, which wasn't just a 2618, but we took a hit of 53 pips there. Euro Yen was a lovely 127 fib extension, target winner for 57. Minus 18 for the Aussie dollar CAD trend continuation. It's a beautiful trend continuation trade, that a lot of confirmation, it didn't come off. Pound yen, we had a high and low and tight flag, plus 34. The win rate on those currently is 80%. So without a doubt, the high and low and tight flags is our highest performing pattern. Head and shoulders, I was in that thing for 2 weeks, and in the end, targets were 88. I got about 65 pips up and I was stopped out for break even due to some news. And then we had 3 losses in a row. We took pound yen, minus 23, minus 20 for the euro dollar, Aussie dollar, minus 9. We implemented risk management on this trade due to some news that was coming out, and we saved ourselves about 25 pips. And then we had some beautiful patterns that played off. We had the New Zealand CAD flag pattern that paid out 75 pips. We had the dollar CAD simple trend continuation trade, 129 pips. We then had a Gartley pattern that won 24 pips. And then we took a triangle that lost for 17 and another pattern, cipher, that lost for 15. And then trend continuation that won for 25 on the dollar CAD. And the pound New Zealand, which we got target ones only. What a real shame that was, because we came about 15 pips from second targets, which would have been another 88 pips. And then we took a small loss of 6 pips on the pound dollar, and the New Zealand Swissy just 13 pips. So if you actually look at how we've managed to implement risk management, only 13 lost, only 6 lost, only 9 lost. We were able to reduce down the risk on what was a pretty poor week of trading, really, just a 35% win rate. But win rate isn't everything. We finished the week positive 112 pips. But here's the thing, guys. We had a little bit of bad luck, and I don't like to use the word luck in trading, because what happened in trading happened. But we had a beautiful cipher down here which had tons of confluence. We had a double bottom, we had the cipher pattern, we had a 2618, and news came out and just stopped us out. So a little bit of bad luck there. But what we also had was, throughout the week, if you were registered in the system and you're part of the chat, then we actually talked about 5 trading opportunities on Thursday and Friday, and 3 of them were late Thursday afternoon. We had a triangle, we had 2 AB equals CD patterns. We were waiting for entries in all 3 of them, and all 3 of them hit targets without providing us that entry, and there was about 90 pips of profit there. And then today, just this morning, there was 2 breakout patterns on the pound pairs on the 5 minute, and there was about 20 pips of profit in both of them, but we couldn't see a lower low, lower close candle to get the entry, and both of those patterns went on to win for around another 40. So there was actually another 5 winning trades that we had validated that we were waiting for entries on. They went on to win, but we never got the entry for them. And of course that's 140 pips of, well, it's not missed pips because we never had the chance to be involved, but they were winning opportunities. And you know, this is sometimes how trading goes. If we had got those entries though, this week would have been a 250 pip week instead of a 112 pip week. 112 pip week is something to be proud of, but it only came off because we stuck to the plan. We had some big trades that we held, they came off, and you know, we took some lower time frame losses, particularly advanced patterns. You know, we took here a bat and cipher 75 pips of losses. We took a winner there for 24, so we're down 50. So we took 65 pips of losses just on advanced patterns. And unfortunately, sometimes ciphers, bats and gartleys, when they don't perform, they don't perform. And for me, we go through periods of, we have winning streaks with them and then long periods of losing streaks. So, but anyway, guys, that's how we finished 112 pips. All of the trades met the rules that were outlined in the educational material that you can find on the website at freeforexeducation.co.uk. Not a bad start to the first week of trading.